JoseTV.com.
Hi, I'm Dara and I love rainbow looming. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bracelet using the waterfall technique. And you'll be needing a hook, a loom, rubber bands and one C-clip. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to take a red rubber band and I'm going to place it over here. So just make sure that the arrows are pointing this way. And you're going to do the same thing with the other two pegs on the other line and like this. So basically you're supposed to place them like this. This is what it's supposed to look like. Again, keep pushing them down. I'm going to take white rubber band. I'm going to place it like this. So basically just like a triangle. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now I'm going to start hooking. I'm going to keep repeating the step. Okay, so as you've reached the end now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the red band and you're gonna take it and pass it on to the other peg, like this, to the middle peg. Okay? Take both sides and put it in the middle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this and I'm going to take a purple band, go through, put it onto my hook, and yeah, I'm just going to take it off. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see it's still small and you're going to make an extension for it. I'm just going to take it and take it off your loom. So this is what the extension looks like. Okay. And I hope you liked the bracelet, and keep looming with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi, I'm Dara and I love rainbow looming. So today I'm going to be showing you how to hook and how to cap a band. So basically, first what you're going to do is you're going to put on some band. This is your hooking material, and now first of all I'm going to show you how to cap a band. You can do it on the peg, but I would prefer doing it on the hook. So you put the band onto the hook like this, you stretch it, then you twist it and put it on to the hook like this. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to put it on like this. I'm going to show you how to do it again. Okay, so take it, twist it, put it on the hook and onto the peg. Okay, so basically capping a band for hooking is really important because you can't do anything without a capped band. Now, as I took this purple band, I'm hooking now. So you need a hook basically, and you're just gonna pass it on to the other peg. now, as you can see, this is cap. Okay? I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time with another tip. Keep zooming with me. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.